This is Kevin from Superwave Laser. Now I want to show you our fiber optic laser welding system with two branch fiber optic with laser head. One fiber cable connect to an automatic workbench. Another one is simple workbench. The two fiber optic is the Allen sharing, but these two fibers don't disturb each other. We can control, we can use the two laser heads in same time or not same time, no disturb each other. Each fiber head separated. Now I want to show you how to operate. Okay. Don't disturb each other. This one is the automatic program CNC control system with the CCTV camera. Another one is control. Also, this two fiber cable can connect with two automatic workbench. So this one machine can work as two machines and each other no disturb. It's the newest technology. Thanks for watching. In fact, you can put many workpieces on the table with special fixture or special jig. So in one time, we can weld in maybe 20 pieces, 30 pieces together. So if we connect two automatic workbench in one time, we can weld in 2 times quantity. And this speed can adjustment